Welcome to this short guide to using Medium teaching rooms. In this video, we will show you how to use the audiovisual equipment to help you make the most of the facilities. Medium-sized teaching rooms are typically equipped with a height-adjustable lectern, a PC, cables to connect a laptop, a visualizer, a Blu-ray player, and in some cases, QReview lecture capture. To use the PC, first ensure it is switched on. The PC is located in the cabinet below the desktop. To switch the PC on, press the button as shown. To turn the monitor on, use the button located at the bottom right of the screen. If you are going to use the PC, log in with your user account in the normal way. You can also use your laptop by connecting either the HDMI or VGA cables provided. If you are using the VGA cable, please remember to plug the audio cable into your laptop's headphone socket in order to use the speakers in the room. Before using the projector, pull down the screen. The control panel enables you to switch between devices and control the output to the projector and monitor. If the control panel screen is blank, press it once to switch it on. Then press the Start button on the screen to start the system and switch on the projectors. Some projectors take a couple of minutes to warm up, so please be patient. The control panel is simply laid out, with the devices at the top of the screen and the output options at the bottom. To use the PC, press the PC button at the top of the screen, and then press the Send Projector button to send the image to the projector, and then press the Send Monitor button to send the image to the monitor. To use your laptop, press the Laptop button at the top of the screen, and then press either the HDMI button or the VGA button, depending on which connection you are using. Then press the Send Projector button to send the image to the projector, and then press the Send Monitor button to send the image to the monitor. To use the Blu-ray player, press the corresponding button at the top of the screen. You will then be presented with the playback and menu keys for the Blu-ray player. Then press the Send Projector button to send the image to the projector, and then press the Send Monitor button to send the image to the monitor. The Blu-ray player is located in the cabinet below the desktop. The volume control on the right-hand side of the control panel can be used with either the PC, laptop or Blu-ray player to control the volume level in the room. To use the visualizer, press the button at the top of the control panel. This will switch the visualizer lamp on, and a control menu will be displayed. Press the Send Projector button to send the image to the projector, and press the Send Monitor button to send the image to the monitor. The visualizer can be used to show printed materials, such as textbooks or objects, on the screen. To zoom in on an object, either use the control panel or the zoom wheel on the head of the visualizer. And to zoom out, use the control panel or move the zoom wheel in the opposite direction on the head of the visualizer. Some of the medium-sized teaching rooms are equipped with the QReview lecture capture system. These rooms will have signs on the door to the room and on the lectern. The room will be equipped with a camera and a set of microphones installed on the lectern and in some cases suspended from the ceiling in order to provide a clear recording. To find out more about QReview, go to the QReview webpage where there are useful links, guides, and information. You can control the QReview recording from the control panel by pressing on the QReview button on the bottom right of the screen. From here you can pause, stop, or extend the recording. Every QReview room is equipped with a recording indicator light. The teaching room PC must be switched on for this to work. When a recording is starting, the indicator light will turn yellow for a few seconds before turning red. This indicates that a recording is active. You can pause the recording by firmly pressing on the indicator light once. The light will flash yellow, indicating that the recording has been paused. To resume recording, firmly press the indicator light again. The light will then turn red, to indicate that the recording is continuing. There are 2 USB ports on the control panel. These are connected to the PC, and you can insert a pen drive to access your files. The height of the lectern is adjustable, and can be raised or lowered using the control buttons, located just underneath the work surface. Most rooms are equipped with a wall-mounted whiteboard, and a board eraser can be found on the lectern, near the whiteboard, or on the whiteboard as shown. You will have to provide your own pens, and please ensure that they are the dry white variety made for whiteboards. Teaching spaces are equipped for blended or mixed mode teaching. This allows students to attend a lecture on campus or remotely. Each teaching space is being equipped for one of 4 levels. The details of each room's level can be found on the Queen Mary Academy web pages, and the address will be in the description of this video. The following describes the different types of equipment and their purpose. The large monitor is an additional screen for the lecture PC. This is to display the Teams, Zoom, or Blackboard Collaborate session, so it can be seen by the students in the room. On the lectern, in Level 2 and Level 3 teaching spaces, will be a graphics tablet. This can be used to annotate items on the screen, so it can be viewed by students in the room and online simultaneously. The rooms will also be equipped with audience-facing cameras. These will either be a USB camera or ceiling-mounted camera, depending on the size and level of the room. This is to enable those attending online to see the students in the teaching room. To enable students attending remotely to hear any discussions or questions, the room will be equipped with either a boundary microphone on the lectern or a ceiling-mounted microphone. Again, this will be dependent on the size and level of the room. For further information on mixed-mode education, including training and faculty representatives, visit the Queen Mary Academy webpage and the Blender webpage on QM+. Every teaching room has a phone installed for support. If you have any technical issue, pick up the phone and press the AV support button, or dial 6550. Support is available from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., Monday to Friday. A technician will answer your call, and will either resolve your call remotely, or send a technician to the teaching room as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. There are other videos available for small and large teaching rooms on the ITS website.